Okay, so right now it is raining as always. But I just want to record this a little bit to say, what was I going to say? Oh, the usual car vlog thing. We're going to shake it up a little. Try vlogging in more areas when it's not looking like death out there. Look. Just for a quick second. Now look, see? It is raining out there. Well, you really can't see them, but you see it there. See all the little splatters? When we get some more dry conditions, we might do vlogs walking around, checking out the town we're in. Who knows? Might go to that bridge, decide to go plummet, take a little swim. Okay, joking around aside, no, we wouldn't do that. But no, it's just, those of you who have been watching the vlogs might have realized we're either in the car or in this area a lot. There's not a lot of interesting places where we live. When we go to your neck of the woods, walk around some woods and, you know, maybe see a cute little teddy or stuff. You know, try to figure out how to play the phone go. And vlog at the same time. Oh, yep, we're driving now. Oh god, hi. It's just, literally where we are when it's raining, or when it's fall, it tends to rain a lot. Spring and fall, that's our wettest times of the year.
They're saying we're supposed to get snow.
When?
Sometime this week or next weekend.
It's October.
And then it's snow on Halloween on October 11th.
Tell me now. I just noticed how under my head is. No! This is going to give me an aneurysm. Oh no, but no. We're getting a little dragon. Then we're going to. Where do you say those are going to go? You know, when I had Sonic, going to go get, like I said, going to go get a little dragon here soon. And then we're going to go hang out some other places. Where's Karma Cake? I just realized I can actually use the camera feature to record and pause recording, you know, make a longer vlog more interesting. So that's what I'm just going to do.
Go, Floppy!
Apparently, she does not want to hit a squirrel. It's 10 points per squirrel. I ran over a squirrel with a lawnmower before. So because you don't want to hit squirrels, you're not the asshole, but I am, since I ran one over with a lawnmower. You heard it here. I might do that. Oh no, but it'd be interesting.
Back the car up a little bit, babe.
Road rage?
No, she was literally out.
You gotta love her commentary. But where are we going now?
Jacket on, and then
Okay, you can do that.
Oh.
sorry, no taller time. Friday.
Oh. Whoa, okay.
Hello.
Big ass fucking truck. I'm gonna hit that carpet.
Go up you. You're funny, baby.
What the?
See what I deal with? I need to find a jacket back here. So I don't get out in the rain just yet. Come back here. Maybe. That'll work. Where's your umbrella? Trying to shoe. You're right, we gotta clean out this part. Here, toss it up.
No. No, let me talk.
1 second, guys.